know that feeling at 3 a.m. when you're awake and everything is quiet, and suddenly all the things you have been avoiding come rushing in? That's when the real conversation starts. The one you have with yourself, the one nobody else hears. Hey guys, welcome back. So, I want to talk about something really specific today. Not just late nights, but that specific time, 3 a.m., when something shifts. At 3 a.m., you can't pretend anymore. It's just you and your thoughts, and the conversation we have with ourselves at that hour. Those are the real ones. So, section 1, what changes at 3 am? There's something about 3 am that's different from any other time. During the day, you are busy, you are distracted, but at 3 am, there's nowhere to go. Your phone isn't buzzing, people aren't demanding things, the world is asleep. So, you are just there, alone with your thoughts, and that's when they come. All the things you have been pushing down, all the doubts you have been ignoring, all the truths you have been avoiding. Why did I say that? Am I making the right choice? Do they actually like me? What I am doing with my life? Is this what I actually want? These aren't the thoughts you haven't known. These are the 3 a.m. thoughts, the one that feel too raw, too honest to say out loud. Section 2, the brutal honesty of 3 a.m. And here's what I have noticed. At 3 a.m., we are brutally honest with ourselves in ways we are never honest during the day. During the day, I can convince myself that everything is fine, that I am happy, that I am on the right path. But at 3 a.m., when it's just me, I know the truth. I know which relationships are one sided. I know which choices I made out of fear. I know which parts of my life I am not actually okay with. At 3 a.m., I can't lie to myself, and somehow they both terrifying and relieving. Section 3, the things we don't say. But here's the thing, the conversations we have at 3 am, we never have them during the day. We go to work and we don't tell our boss, I am slowly dying in this job. We are in a relationship and we don't say, I am not sure if I love you anymore. We are with our family and we don't admit I have been angry at you for years. We keep these conversations locked up. We have them at 3 am alone where nobody can hear. And then the next morning we pretend again. But the 3 am conversations doesn't disappear. It stays with us. It gets buried, but it's still there. Section 4, why we don't say them. So why don't we just say these things? Because saying them makes them real. As long as it's just a thought at 3 am, it's still a possibility. It's still something we might change our mind about. But if we say it out loud, if we voice it, then we have to deal with the consequences. We might have to break up, we might have to quit, we might have to change. And change is scary. So it's easier to just not say it, to keep it at 3 am, to tell ourselves we will figure it out later, but we never do. Section 5, but maybe that's okay. But here's something I have been thinking about. Maybe it's okay that we don't say everything. Maybe there's something scared about having conversations with yourself that nobody else hears. A space where you are allowed to be completely honest without judgment. The problem comes when we start believing the performance more than we believe the 3 am conversation. When we start thinking that what we show people is more real than who we actually are. Section 6, the conversation continues. So, tonight, if you find yourself awake at 3 am with thoughts you are not supposed to have, don't push them away. Just listen, let yourself have the conversation, let yourself be honest, at least with yourself, because you deserve to know yourself even if nobody else ever does. Before you go, let me break down 5 phrases. There's not there's nowhere to go. Forced to confront something. Example, at 3 a.m. there's nowhere to hide from yourself. 2. Come rushing in. Sudden flood of emotions. Example, all the doubts came rushing in at once. Number 3. Bury the truth. Hide an important reality. Example, we bury the truth and pretend everything is fine. Number 4. Weigh on someone. Emotionally burden you. Example, these unspoken truths weigh on me. Number 5. Can't lie to myself. Forced to accept reality. Example, at 3 a.m. I can't lie to myself anymore. If this resonated with you, hit like and subscribe, because I make videos like this every week. Deep conversations and practical English you can use. Comment below, what do you tell yourself at 3 a.m. and you had never say out loud. See you in the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.